that I'm going to upload in the next 6 months. This is my writing. I take this everywhere. I stole this also to my son. There's elementary school, and this has all the recipes, standards for me in order to do what I do. And I am very happy. I've been working on this for 3 years. 1 year on the vision, 2 years on the study, the guidelines. I went ahead and rebuilt the whole Mediterranean diet from the time after the first war and to nowadays. It was very complicated to put it back together, but I did it. I look into the studies of the science, all the indication, all the numbers. I got them to the T, I think they say in America. So I got the numbers, and then I apply them with my experience of 30 years of cooking in fine dining and healthcare. I apply them to the recipes that people, they eat every day in their life. So thank you for staying with me. I'm gonna go ahead and clean, and then I'm gonna interview the judges. Subscribe over here. If you don't subscribe over here, I can now tell you when the recipes are published. Subscribe on mealsforlongevity.com for the same reason, so I can send you an email, a free sample. So go on mealsforlongevity.com, and then there will pop up a subscribe newsletter, or you can find in the menu. So it's very important to do so. I'm Chef Giuseppe Urbano from Meals for Longevity, and I'll talk to you soon.